Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your iCloud backup. All right. Managing your iCloud backup involves controlling which apps are included, deleting old backups, or freeing up space. So first up, go ahead and find the Settings app on your phone. Just tap on it. And then once done, go ahead and tap on your iCloud account. After that, we are going to find iCloud. Tap on it. Now in here, you go ahead and tap on See All under Save to iCloud. And then you will see a list of apps. All right, so toggle off any apps you don't need to back up, like, for example, a large game or a document tabs. Let's say you don't want to back up Safari. Okay, so you can just toggle it off, and once done, you can keep the last backup or delete it entirely. All right, it's up to you. Now, another option is by deleting old backups to free up space. So go ahead and go back, and in here, you can go ahead and tap on iCloud Backup, just like so. So for example, if you're upgrading devices or running low on iCloud storage, you can delete old unnecessary backups for devices you no longer use. For example, this one. You can just go ahead and tap on it, wait for it to load, and then go ahead and turn off and delete from iCloud. All right. Last option here, for example, let's go ahead over to our photos. You can tap on iCloud right here and then manage storage. And then all the photos that was synced will be listed in here. Okay. You could view them, or if you want to, you go ahead and delete it from here. And that is how you manage an iCloud backup. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.